Hello tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving deep into the swirling rumors and exciting possibilities surrounding Apple's next big tablet release, the iPad 12th generation. For years, the iPad has set the standard for tablets, pushing boundaries with each new iteration. But what can we truly expect from the 12th gen? When might it arrive? What groundbreaking features could redefine our experience? Stick around, because we're breaking down everything you need to know. Let's start with the million-dollar question. The release date. Apple's release cycles can be notoriously unpredictable, especially with the iPad lineup. Historically, we've seen new iPads drop in the spring, fall, or even a quiet press release. Current speculation points towards a potential late 2024 or early 2025 launch. Why the delay? Many analysts suggest Apple is waiting for key technological advancements to mature, particularly around display technology and chip production. The global supply chain also plays a significant role. Apple might be consolidating its Pro and Air lines, or perhaps introducing a completely new tier. What are your predictions? Let us know in the comments below. Next up, design. Will the iPad 12th Gen sport a radical new look? Or will Apple stick to its refined, modern aesthetic? Most rumors suggest an evolution rather than a revolution. We're likely to see thinner bezels, potentially a slightly lighter chassis, and perhaps new color options. The current flat-edge design, introduced with the iPad Pro, has been widely praised for its premium feel and Apple Pencil to compatibility. It's unlikely Apple would deviate too much from this successful formula. However, there's always the possibility of a more durable material, or even a subtle shift in the camera bump designed to accommodate new sensor technology. Under the hood, the iPad 12th Gen is expected to pack a serious punch. The current iPad Pro models feature the incredibly powerful M2 chip. For the 12th Gen, the debate is between the M3 and the rumored M4 chip. If Apple aims for a late 2024 release, the M3 seems more plausible, offering significant performance gains. However, if a launch slides into 2025, an M4 chip could be on the cards, potentially bringing even more advanced AI and machine learning capabilities directly to the tablet. This would solidify the iPad's position as a true laptop replacement for many professionals. Imagine the possibilities for video editing, 3D rendering, and complex computational tasks. Now, let's talk about what could be the biggest upgrade. The display. The current iPad Pro models use mini LED technology, which offers incredible brightness and contrast, but the buzz is all about old. Rumors suggest that the 12th Gen iPad Pro models, and potentially even some Air models, could finally adopt old displays. This would bring true blacks, even better contrast, ratios, and improved power efficiency. Imagine watching your favorite movies or editing photos on an iPad with iPhone-level old quality. It would be a game-changer for visual professionals and casual users alike. The challenge for Apple is scaling old production for larger tablet displays without significantly increasing costs. The Apple Pencil has always been an integral part of the iPad experience, especially for artists, designers, and note-takers. And the Apple Pencil Pro is a recurring rumor, suggesting a significant upgrade to Apple's stylus. What could this Pro version entail? We're hearing whispers of new haptic feedback, allowing for more tactile responses when drawing or writing. This could simulate different textures or brushstrokes, adding an entirely new dimension to digital art. Beyond haptics, the Apple Pencil Pro might introduce interchangeable tips, catering to various artistic needs, from fine lines to broad strokes. Imagine a tip specifically designed for calligraphy or another for watercolor effects. Improved hover functionality, already present, could be refined further, offering even greater precision and predictive capabilities. We might also see new gestures, perhaps a squeeze or twist action, to quickly access tools or change settings. This would streamline workflows and make the creative process even more intuitive. The integration with iPadOS would undoubtedly unlock new software features, making the Pencil Pro an indispensable tool for professionals. While tablets aren't typically known for their camera prowess compared to smartphones, the iPad Pro has always pushed boundaries. For the 12th Gen, we can expect significant camera upgrades. The rear camera system might see improved low-light performance, better computational photography features, and a larger sensor. The LiDAR scanner, already a powerful tool for augmented reality and 3D scanning, could become even more accurate and versatile. opening up new possibilities for developers and creative professionals. On the front, a wider angle lens for center stage and improved video call quality would be a welcome addition, especially in our increasingly remote work-oriented world. Imagine using your iPad for a professional-grade video, conferencing, or even capturing high-quality 3D models on the go. Hardware is only as good as the software that runs it, and iPad OS is crucial to the iPad experience. With the M3 or M4 chip and potential display and pencil upgrades, iPadOS will need to evolve. We could see more robust multitasking features, allowing for even more seamless transitions between apps and improved window management. AI and machine learning, powered by the new chip's neural engine, will likely be integrated more deeply into core applications, offering smarter photo editing, more accurate handwriting recognition, and advanced accessibility features. Apple might also introduce new pro-level applications or enhance existing ones, further blurring the lines between a tablet and a traditional computer. The future of iPadOS with the 12th gen could truly unlock a new era of productivity and creativity. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. New Apple technology often comes with a premium. Given the rumored upgrades like old displays and potentially an M4 chip, we can expect the iPad 12th Gen to be priced competitively, likely starting at a similar or a slightly higher point than current Pro models. The value proposition will depend on how significantly these new features enhance the user experience. For professionals who rely on their iPad for demanding tasks, the investment might be well worth it. For casual users, the current iPad Air or even the base iPad might still offer sufficient performance. We'll likely see various configurations with different storage options and cellular connectivity impacting the final price. It's always a balance between cutting-edge technology and affordability. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the rumors and expectations for the iPad 12th generation, from a potential late 2024 or early 2025 release to groundbreaking old displays on M4 Sahipan and Apple Pencil Pro. The future of the iPad looks incredibly exciting. Apple continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in a tablet form factor. What are you most excited about for the iPad 12th Gen? Do you think these rumors will come true? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.